Hi, fourth grade. I hope you're having a fantastic Friday and you're ready to get started in math today. I thought I would take Friday as a little break from our regular videos and let this kind of be a fun Friday type day since we're not able to play as many games as we typically do. So I brought a lot of flashcards with me and I hope you're ready to play some games. We're going to start by doing a quick review of what our Roman numerals are, okay? So I'm going to ask you to stand up, go to the farthest section in your room where you are, but I want you to still be able to see the screen though. And if you answer before I do, you win a giant step. We're going to play giant step, and you take one step closer towards me, towards the screen, okay? If I answer before you, you have to stay put. Whenever you can touch the screen, that's 1 point for you. Then go back as far as you can. Let's see how many points you can earn today. Okay, go far back. I think you can go a little farther. Go on. Make sure you can still see my cards though, okay? Here we go. We ready? You're going to say the Roman numeral. M. If it's a tie, I win. D. X. L. I. V. C. M. Now for this last round. If it's a tie, you win. This time you're saying the Arabic numeral. 1,000. 100. 5. 1. Did you say I? Just checking. 50. 10. 500. 1,000. Now remember, every time you are able to touch the screen, that's 1 point for you. Go back to your starting point and try it again, okay? How many points did you get? Okay, keep counting those points. I'm going to switch out to some different flashcards. Now, we have been talking about temperature recently. I'm going to show you the flashcard. I would like for you to say the number, the degree symbol, and the scale. 212 degrees Fahrenheit. If you didn't say the degrees Fahrenheit, go back. Doesn't count. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. 100 degrees Celsius. 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, they're checking everybody's temperatures right now. So if you're checking your temperature, if you've got temperature higher than 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, ooh, goodness, not good. 0 degrees Celsius. 37 degrees Celsius. Were you able to touch the screen? I hope so. Okay, I want you to know it backwards and forwards. So this time I'm going to show you the number, and I would like for you to tell me the words that are on the other side. I need what it is and the scale. What's happening, basically, in the scale. Normal body temperature, Celsius. Freezing point of water, Celsius. Normal body temperature, Fahrenheit. Boiling point of water, Celsius. Freezing point of water, Fahrenheit. Boiling point of water, Fahrenheit. Good job, guys. Okay, one more stack of cards. Then we're going to do something different. Here we go. These are our time cards that we've been working on. So I need you to answer with just the special number in just a minute. But right now, we're just going to practice reading them. We're going to read them all together. Here we go. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So we're taking a break from our giant step. Read these with me. 1 year equals 12 months. 1 year equals 365 days. 1 year equals about 52 weeks. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 score equals 20 years. 1 week equals 7 days. 1 leap year equals 366 days. 1 millennium equals 1,000 years. 1 decade equals 10 years. How many of you are a decade? How many of you are a couple of decades? Okay. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 century equals 100 years. Remember, cent, where is it? Cent always means 100. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Okay, I'm going to give these a quick shuffle and we'll continue with our game. How many points are you up to? Okay, here we go. Beat me. 365. 60. 100. What does cent mean? 100. 24. 10. 12. 366. I am not taking any mercy, so come on, bring it. 7. 20. 60. About 52. 1,000. Good job, guys. Okay, so here is what I have next planned for us. We've done a little bit of review with our temperature, with our time, and with our Roman numerals, and I want to come back to those Roman numerals. I am going to show you, remember these? I'm going to show you these Roman numerals, and you're going to need to either add or subtract, do what you need to do, and give me the Arabic numeral, okay? So keep counting those points. When you can touch the screen, that's 1 point. 600. If it's a tie, I win. You stay put. 9. 14. 16. 60. 900. Oh, we have a trick for this. XL, extra large. When you turn how old? You have to start wearing extra large clothes. 40, yep. 11. Smaller, subtract. 4. 1,000. 100. 10. 400. Good job. How many points did you get? Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to ask you on this Fun Friday, we're going to do some games, but I'm also going to encourage you to go back and do some review. We have talked all this week about how to divide fractions. Remember, you can only divide a fraction by a fraction. If you don't have one, you make one. If I were to show you this letter right here, this is the first step, letter K. This is the first step on our dividing with fractions. The K stands for keep. We keep the first fraction the same. The C stands for what? Change your sign. So your division symbol actually becomes a what? A multiplication symbol, just the opposite of division. And our last one, let's see if I can reach it. Finally, flip the final fraction. That last fraction, you're just going to turn it upside down, okay? Who remembers the term that means to flip, the technical term for that? Starts with an I. Invert. Invert means to turn a fraction upside down. When we divide fractions, we're always going to be using what's called the inversion method when you're flipping it upside down, okay? So I challenge you with a couple of things. Number one, I challenge you to go back for the past 4 lessons, and if there were any black problems that you did not have time to finish, now is the time to work on those. Also, if you get to a problem or a section where you're thinking, I just do not remember what she said or how to do that, the good news is all of these can be watched again. So this is your opportunity to go back and rewatch anything. You can even rewatch just to play the games and see if you can beat me. That's a good time to watch. That's a good reason to watch. So let's make sure that we're good with our goals. Go back and finish those black problems. Go back and rewatch some videos if you need to. Go back and try to beat me, okay? All right, I look forward to checking in with you guys. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Love you guys. Bye-bye.